When I see the animals acting funny like this, you know what's going down. Animals just don't do stuff like this. Just to go and do stuff like this. Animals are very, very spiritual. And I know that, most of y'all already know that. But they very spiritual. But yeah, they know that we at the end of this thing. They know that we at the end of Esau's kingdom. They know it. Birds, lions, bears, tigers, leopards. They all know. Reminds me of that movie that I had watched, Leave the World Behind. I don't know if y'all had watched that movie. You should watch it if you ain't watch it.